You're not broken. You're not lazy. You're being rewired. Every time you check your phone, that constant urge to scroll, swipe, click, it's not a harmless habit. It's a full-blown system. Tech companies have spent billions engineering your mind to crave distraction. And now, it's changing the actual structure of your brain. That's not exaggeration. That's neuroscience. Your ability to focus, to be still, to think deeply, it's not disappearing by accident. It's being trained out of you. But here's the truth they don't tell you. If your brain can be wired for distraction, it can be rewired for power. Focus, discipline, clarity. They're not traits, they're muscles. And you can build them. In this video, we'll break down how modern life hijacks your mind, and how to take it back. You're watching Mindset Mechanics, where we rebuild mental toughness from the ground up. Let's start with dopamine, the chemical currency of your brain's reward system. Every notification, every like, every swipe releases a small hit of dopamine. Not enough to make you euphoric, just enough to keep you chasing the next hit. Over time, your brain learns to crave novelty over depth. That's why it feels impossible to finish a book, sit through a full video, or stay focused on a single task. Your attention span isn't just short, it's being fragmented. Think of your brain like a browser with 50 tabs open, all auto-refreshing. You're not lacking willpower, you're overloaded. And the worst part, the more you feed this loop, the harder it is to break. Your brain starts needing more stimulation just to feel normal. That's addiction, not in a dramatic sense, but in a very real, biochemical way. But awareness is the first weapon. Once you understand this cycle, you can begin to escape it. Now, let's talk about the impact on your working memory, the system your brain uses to hold and process information in real time. When you constantly switch tasks, even just glancing at your phone, or scrolling for a few seconds, your working memory takes a hit. You're forcing your brain to reset, over and over again. It's called attention residue, and it adds up. This is why you feel mentally exhausted after a day of doing almost nothing. It's not laziness, it's cognitive burnout. And while multitasking may feel productive, it's actually killing your ability to think deeply and creatively. Your brain isn't designed for constant switching. It thrives on focus, flow, and uninterrupted thought. But the world we live in is engineered to interrupt you. If you've ever sat down to work and found yourself checking email, opening 5 tabs, or reaching for your phone without thinking, that's not just habit, it's a rewired brain. So how do we take back control? It starts with intention. You have to create environments that protect your attention instead of draining it. That might mean turning off notifications, setting your phone in another room, or using tools like website blockers during your most important work. But more than that, you need to train your brain to focus again. Just like going to the gym to build physical strength, you need daily reps of mental clarity. Try setting a timer, 10 minutes of deep, uninterrupted work, then bump it to 20. You'll be surprised how fast your focus improves when you remove the noise. Meditation, journaling, even walking without headphones can help reset your mind's baseline. You're not just trying to escape distraction, you're rebuilding the neural pathways that allow for sustained thought. And in today's world, that might be the most powerful skill you can develop. Here's the truth. You're not broken. You're just living in a system designed to exploit your biology. But now you see the gears turning. You understand how attention is stolen, and how to start reclaiming it. The power lies in consistent, small changes, building back your ability to think deeply, to focus on what matters, to stop chasing dopamine hits and start chasing purpose. This isn't about perfection, it's about progress. If this video helped you think differently, drop a comment below and share how you've been dealing with distraction. And if you're ready to dive deeper, check out the other videos on the channel. We've got more insight and strategies waiting for you. You have more power than you've been led to believe. It's time to reclaim your mind, one focused moment at a time.